In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize site speed on WordPress.com. Site speed is crucial for user experience and SEO, so optimizing it is a valuable skill. Let's get started with the first step. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com login page. If you're not sure where to find it, simply type WordPress.com login into a search engine, and it should be one of the top results. Once you're on the login page, log in using your credentials. After you've successfully logged in, click on WordPress.com, everything you need to build your website. This will take you to your main WordPress dashboard. Now from the dashboard, look for the Plugins section in the menu and click on it. Plugins can significantly enhance the capabilities of your WordPress site by adding new features or improving existing ones. Next, click on Add Plugin. You'll see a search box on this page, and you'll need to type in Seraphinite Accelerator. This plugin is crucial for improving the speed and performance of your site. Once you've entered the plugin name, you'll see it pop up in the search results. Click on Install Now to add it to your site. After installation, you must activate the plugin, which you can do by clicking Activate. This action makes the plugin ready to work with your site and start doing its magic to enhance your site's speed. Now that the plugin is active, you need to locate Accelerator from your site's panel. Click on it, then go to Settings. Here, you'll see an option to download the free extended plugin version. This extended version offers more features to boost your site's speed. Click on it, and the download will begin automatically. After downloading, you'll need to return to the dashboard page. From the dashboard, click on Plugins again, and then select Upload Plugin. At this point, you'll be prompted to choose the downloaded plugin file from your computer. Find it, select it, and click Open. With the plugin file selected, click on Install to upload it to your WordPress site. The next step is crucial. You'll be asked if you want to replace the current plugin version with the one you've just uploaded. Go ahead and choose Replace to ensure you're using the extended version. Now, make your way to the plugin installer. Here, click on Begin Setup Wizard. Following the wizard steps will help configure the plugin optimally for your site's needs. Take your time with this setup process, as it will fine-tune the settings to ensure your site runs as fast as possible. And there you have it. A streamlined way to enhance your WordPress.com site's speed using the Seraphinite Accelerator plugin. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your WordPress site.